Hello everyone, welcome back to Bioboard Classes. Today we will explore how plants send their seeds to new homes. From floating in water to flying in the wind, nature has some clever tricks. Let's start by understanding what seed dispersal actually means. Seed dispersal helps plants survive by giving their seeds a space and a chance to grow away from the parent plant. It's nature's way of spreading life. Now, let's look at the main ways seeds travel. Seeds have developed amazing methods to move around. We will see each one with examples and pictures. Let's start with wind dispersal. Some seeds, like dandelions, are so light that they can float in the wind for miles. Maple seeds have little wings that help them glide gently to the ground. Next, seeds that travel through water. Coconuts are famous for traveling long distances via rivers or oceans. Their hard shell protects them as they float to new lands. Other examples are lotus and water lily. Some seeds even rely on animals for transport. Animals help plants by carrying seeds. Some seeds cling to fur, while others are eaten and grow after passing through the digestive system. Clever, right? Plants can also shoot seeds out on their own. Some plants act like tiny cannons. Their pods burst open, flinging seeds far from the parent plant. And finally, seeds that just rely on gravity. Some seeds simply fall to the ground. Gravity and rolling help them reach a spot far enough to grow without competing with the parent. Let's wrap up what we learned today. Plants have developed fascinating ways to spread their seeds, from gliding on the wind to floating in the water. Every seed has a journey. Next time you see a dandelion seed floating, remember it is nature's little traveler. Thank you for watching.